like to take this opportunity to encourage my fellow students. I know life is hard, life is tough, but it's just a matter of how you take it. Challenges are there, difficulties are there, but we should stand firm and focus on our studies. I know we are here because of what we want, because of what we want to achieve. Let us stand firm, let us have respect, let us have love to our teachers and respect them. Otherwise, I don't have much to say. Thank you.
Morning everyone. I am John Gadu from Homa Bay. I'm John Gadu from Homa Bay taking the PTT.
Morning everyone. Patience Achema from Busia County, Diploma in Health Readiness.
Morning everyone. I'm Peter Sonimandeka from Kisi County taking PTT in Operative Theatre. Thank you.
Barbara Kingu, Kisumu County, CPTT.
Awar Mandela, Migori County, CPTT.
Nazi Kesan from West Pokot, DPT.
Belinda Msimbi, Viga County, HSS.
I'm Tricent from Nakuru County taking COTM.
I'm Nangatara from Nara County taking Community.
Ivona Kini, Kisumu County, DPT. Grace Akinyi from Homa Bay County taking HSS.
I'm Akaka Imelda from Homa Bay Theatre.
Bridget Achen, Homa Bay DPT. Akot Brenda from Migori County taking DPT.
Morning everyone. Morning. Brian and DJ from Siaya Operative Theatre Technology. Call me Heso from Kakamega County doing the PTT.
This time round, when a director, it's not so good. But I think it's because of you not to get a license. So ensure that for the time that you will be with us here, please do not be found in any indiscipline case that will make you write any letter to be filed. Because by the end of the day, when you are doing your CDA, the file will be presented and then they will go through your what? Your file. Wakipata barua tatu, you will not get the license. So please avoid writing.
Right? Shoes must be clean. Right? That is when a patient will even, before even you touch. A patient can be killed before you touch, right? Akikuona. Because and feel psychologically akosa. So I just want to leave you with that. But I know we'll interact for some period at least, so that when we come next time we can still talk, right? And still give us something which we have. And please make sure that as the students, we come up with the ways on how we can improve our institution and how we can better your life when you are going to practice, right?
Unless maybe you don't want to be part of us. And always try to reach this far can be reduced to zero within what? Shortest time possible. So be careful and know that you are at the right place. This is a great institution. We have a brand, and we also we are known in the government, and that's why when our students finish, please let me assure you that they get required documents for them to practice. So whenever maybe you have done your course and maybe you're feeling like maybe you have applied for a job somewhere and they're asking a document, don't ask anybody that I went to this school and they're asking me for this document. How can I get? Just give a call to principal. I've gone to this institution and they're asking me this document, and for me I've never known about that particular document. You'll be guided on how to do it, to acquire such particular document. That still relies on communication, not the person you are you are talking to. On assessment,
Melinda, where's Melinda? You are both by. So then I guess how much? Eh? 1,000. So, congratulations. How much is that? 1,000. You can give us 1,000. Okay, we have where's Aaron Lagat? Who brought you? Come. You brought him. And he doesn't remember. Come. That is one student. How much is that? 500. Come here. Congratulations for that. You can come and read it. So we give Leonard. Clap for him. We have two students, Winnie Achille. Where's Winnie? Winnie. A new student, Winnie. We have Winnie and Yvonne Akinyi. Where's Yvonne? Who brought you? Winnie Akot. Is it? Where's Winnie Akot? And get your money. Get the what? Okay. Patrick, you can give. Okay. We have another one who has good students here. It's called Scovia. Where is Scovia? Is Scovia here? How much is that? 500. Clap for her. We have Marian Apio. Where's Marian? Marian Apio. As well, two students, Donella Award and Naomi Award. Where's Donella? Donella? You're the one, eh? And Naomi. Come, the two of you. Come forward. That's how much? Yes. Clap for her. Clap for her once more. We have Sheriff Odiabo. Yes, Sheriff. Sheriff, yes. Who brought you? Okay. Paul, where's Paul? Rejoice. Mbua. Where's Rejoice? Who brought you? Where's John? You don't come. Come. Here. Stand here. My hand. Okay. You can let it be that. We have Paul Mieso. Where's Paul? Who brought you? Eh? When was that? Sharon, where's Sharon? Hey. So you are picking on the list again. We have Oscar Wafula. Where's Oscar? Who brought you? Isaac, where's Isaac? How? How much is that? 500. So those are the ones I have for today. Next time when I come, yes. Your name is here? Yes, Scovia. Scovia will come with you for Scovia. Me. I want to give people 5,000, 10, 20, 50. Why you not? You don't want money. So you when you come in May, I want to give so many people the money that they can use. So that is the road program which we have given out. Otherwise, I want to end by advising children to have clubs. I've been told about the clubs. Football club. We need to have students who are going to play. If they want to go and play in Nairobi, they are from here, so they can go up to there. There are also trips. We don't have any request of trip from Kisumu. Whether they want to go and see Mombasa, they want to go and see Mount Kenya, they want to go and see other places. If we get those requests, we will deal with it. But today, we also came with your bus here, so the new student can have a small trip. The trip will symbolize when you go for the major trip where you'll be sitting. So you can book a seat. Book your seat today, so that when you go for a major trip to Mombasa, you know where to sit. Is that correct? Yeah, so you know where you're going to sit, and I wish you well. Please be sensitive. Don't be called for a soda in town for some useless things. Be very careful. Get everything from us, and you are going to be a good student. Those who graduated, please, if you miss a job, you can talk to us. We can refer you to places you can work. Those who want to go attachment in Nairobi, Mombasa, we can as well connect you to go and do the attachment there. Thank you so much, and may you be blessed.
Before we clap for the letter, I want to let you know that we have a TV presenter here. I'm sorry I didn't tell you as we are starting so that you pause. We have Tricent TVs here with us, so maybe you will see yourself later on in the day. Sasa, next time we are going to have a live orientation. We are requesting for it from a director. But today we are privileged to have the Tricent. We also have Mayenga. I think they have left. So please, that is how far we have gone. I want to thank the director for being elected to be the president of all the private colleges, and you see how Tricent is now. Sasa, so all these colleges that you see around, akisema this does not qualify, and then anatoa. He has the capability of doing that because the ministry under the government saw it wise that is worth being the president to regulate all the operations within the private colleges. So sisi si mchezo, we are real. I want two people to help us clap for Mr. Director number one. We want to clap for him for being elected the president. So who is going to lead us? Clap for him. Yes. Mr.
Okay, I'm Yvonne Selwe, a distance learner doing diploma in nutrition and dietetics. My question or my concern is, can we have an online class rather than having the notes?
Not only raising that question, and because of technology moving, we were thinking that, and we're also working on it so that we can have you as a student who is doing distance, you have the relevant platform, like you can download the Google Meet. Then during the time when this person is, maybe when the other students, you get the timetable for the other regular students. So when they are being taught, that particular lecturer also logs in Google Meet so that you follow the session. Then at the same time, you can also be able to ask questions. So that is very well noted, and we are going to have the virtual lessons same time with the regular students. So, sir, you know how to use the platform. If you don't know, maybe before you leave this place, you can visit the office so that they can tell you, familiarize yourself with the timetable the regular students are using, so that when that time comes, if you are working, maybe you create some time so that you can attend the lecture.
The still cost, so that we should always be raising our flags in front there.
Now, we have been looking for such ideas from the students, and I think now it's high time that we really need a school anthem. So what we are going to do, we are going to give each campus a chance. You compose here, Kisumu, Homa Bay, Thika, Nairobi, Juja. Then we'll choose the best. So you can go ahead and rehearse so that when you're presenting, you present something that can make your campus to be the winner. And you know when you are a winner, you get what? A reward? So you can go on.
Good afternoon once more. Sorry, I've come in a bit late due to unavoidable circumstances, but I'm happy to be here this afternoon. I am Madam Christie. I'm sure we've met almost everyone. I am a lecturer. Also, I am the hostel. I do hostel management. For those who are in the hostel, you know we normally have our meetings, so in case you have any issue, I'm the person you can come to, apart from the principal. I want to take this opportunity to welcome our visitors, Karibuni Sana, and all the new students that have joined us. As usual, Tricent is the best. Kindly spread the word. Where you can get the best is Tricent College of Medical and Technology School. Sawa sawa. Asanteni sana. Thank you, madam.
honored and privileged to stand before you to express my sincere gratitude and heartfelt on behalf of class of 2025 January intake during this orientation session. First and foremost, I want to thank the Almighty Father and rewarding journey. As we start this chapter together, let's support each other. We also want to express our gratitude to the subordinate staff who shared their experience and advice with us. As creating humble and conducive environments are always bitter, but the fruits are very sweet.
This day, thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for protecting us, allowing us to be here. And thank you for being with us since we started our orientation. And Father, we request you to may you continue being with us. May you be with all our lecturers. And may you be with our director. May you continue being with them, continue providing for them, and continue giving them help. May you also be with all the students who are here. May you give them knowledge, wisdom, and understanding that come from above. And we request you to may you continue giving us good help. May you be with us as we still want to go and eat something. We request may you
onge jwang useritega mingi wan ka nikech in. Ma en chuny Onagi TV adundo jaluo.
Chenro mar Tinga mondo bedo kodong' chien kama waseikore mar menyonu wechege koma piny oru godo, nonro mar oboke, chal mar fwambo e kor gwenge,
Weche somo, dongruok mar piny luo, pur kod ohala.
tudri kodwa kochakore wuok tich nyaka tich abich chakre sa 12 mar okinyi nyaka 4 mar onyango. Mabiro tayo chenro ni iluonga ni Harigan Wakoyo kaachiel kod
Sismosta Auma. Kok chuny Onagi TV to onge kamachielo.
Welcome to Ciala Hospital Kisumu, where your health is our priority. From the moment you walk through our doors, you are not just a patient, you are family. With our highly qualified and competent doctors and caregivers, we are here to serve you 24/7. Whether it's emergency treatment, specialized care, or a routine checkup, we ensure you receive the best medical attention. From welcoming new life to restoring health, we walk with you every step of the way. Because at Ciala Hospital, we don't just treat illness, we care for lives. We are located at Sinyolo along Kisumu-Busia Highway. Reach us on our hotline number +254 57 202 0005 or call our mobile number 07 90 334 499. Ciala Hospital Kisumu, exceptional care for your health and well-being.
Do you have a special event coming up? Let Ufriends Events take care of it. Weddings, corporate, funerals, anniversaries and parties. We create instantaneous venues. No event is too big or too small. We provide events management, tenting decor, floral arrangement, catering, hiring of utensils and executive mobile toilets. Ask for our white dome tents. Call today to schedule your free consultation and site evaluation. Ufriends Events is your one-stop shop for your success is our business.
Koromoga Juan, ma NC Kenya. Kamora mora ma intie wakwai mondo mi med neno chuny Onagi TV nikech ma en adundo jaluo. Kama chuny jaluo iweyogo en mana chuny Onagi TV. Kamora mora ma intie, follow them, like, share programs magi nikech gikelo puonj mabeyo kendo gitimo programs makare magero gandawa kendo ting'o gandawa mag joluo. Omiyo kamora mora ma intie, wamed neno chuny Onagi TV nikech ma e adundo jaluo.
Ng'amanie loving ni puonjo tek, era ema puonje. Manie era ing'eni chiko tek, era ema chike. Ng'amanie loving ni puonjo betek, era ema puonje. Gadiera love yiero kende, oyiero toto jaber. Hai kwara mogi man Fredi Jakadongo Madisco. Mar chuny Onagi TV, ahero neno chuny Onagi TV adundo joluo. Nikech mae e kama jothumbe te, mae od jongoma, mae kama promote jothumbe, mae kama wayude puonj makare, mae kama wawinje thumbe wa manyasani gi manyachon. Mana ka med ero chenro mar chuny Onagi TV, kete mane chuny Onagi TV adundo joluo, wan kanyakla.
Joka Nyanam, ma en chuny Onagi TV. Kama joluo chokore adundo. Ma en Nyakusa Nyamama Nyamaro, the only Dudu queen existing. Watiyo tije kaka mag campaigning for girl child education, campaigning against gender-based violence, to gi mamoko. To magi duto iyudo mane chuny Onagi TV. Chuny Onagi TV, adundo joluo. Warwako ujo Kanyanam duto.
Chuny Onagi TV, adundo jaluo.
Akwe ujo Kanyana Monde, ujoinwa Monde wa support Onagi TV. This is our new thing coming in the estate or in the county. So please join us. to support our friends who we have worked with them for long. Joka Nyanam, Maiji and Bernardo Gucci or Ben Bo. And Mane Musa Juma Ovela, to Novela and Dalumane, I invite into the States in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Ko Musa Manuel Kinyo ko wachoni adonjo peni joyos no wakadira oguche jana kat ngamalongo sana bende omini eji festa gitambo bende Tom Juma magusiepe Musa Madongo mage mani okele US Onagi TV egiwa masani mwadu wa promote ko jo turwa te Donjuru Onagi TV ubo winjo ngolo mag Jowa mag Musa Juma mag everybody mag play wa Eilulan Onagi TV adundo jaluo sani koro adundo wakae ndiye mamondo walitre
Ineno chuny Onagi TV. Chuny Onagi TV. Adundo jaluo. Welcome to the Bowls Resort Kisumu. We offer accommodations, restaurant and bar services, African dishes with other cuisine, conference halls, lounge, children's playground, ample parking area. Come and have a taste of our delightful garden with a serene environment and a spectacular view of Lake Victoria and its shores. We are located along Abuson Road, Riyadh, SOS Village Road, off Kisumu Busia Road, opposite Kisumu International Airport, Kisumu, Kenya. You can find us on Facebook at the Bowls Plus Resort. Email us at reservation@thebowlsplusresort.com. Contact us on 0724-835912 or visit our website at www.thebowlsplusresort.com. The Bowls Plus Resort, serenity and bliss.